Junior year, you're starting off learning some grounds maintenance. You're also going to learn carpentry skills, electrical skills, plumbing skills, drywall skills, painting skills, cleaning and organization skills, along with teamwork, communication. And then what we do senior year, we take all those skills and we expand on them. I geared down as far as how much bookwork I give them. There is still some bookwork, but I try to make it easier for them to understand. And also it's just more hands-on. This program actually has a forklift certification, and the students also earn what they call an OSHA 10 card. So my program's designed to help them get jobs in landscaping and general maintenance, but also they want to become a carpenter's helper or a plumber's helper or an electrician's helper. Regardless if they go into it or not, they're still learning valuable skills.